Good evening, viewers. You're welcome on the program this evening. I am Egun Goka, welcoming your voice of Igbos and diaspora, OLODI News Agent. Yes, today we want to bring to you the press conference organized by the government in Lagos State, asking the Igbos to come out to vote His Excellency Babajide SONWOLU, and also use the medium to ask Babajide SONWOLU for the protection of Igbos, their properties and their lives. Also on the program, OHANAEZE NDIGBO Youth Wing Worldwide, ably led by Maazị Barrister Lidinus Obasonu Esquire, and his executives, Maazị Chukwuma Okparaezu Oke, Secretary General, Honorable Chinedu Ato Ugwu, Financial Secretary, visited the scene of the fire outbreak at AKERELE, OLODI, APAPA to commiserate with the victims, and they gave them a gift of 1 million naira. I would like you to watch this audio right back.
We have a special press conference today as it concerns the new development. Ever since last week, we had a national election. A lot of things started coming up, and we are not so pleased with what is happening. Hence, we decided to organize this meeting.
A great majority of us all belong to this same great party, the All Progressive Congress, APC. Nobody in Lagos is more APC than the Igbos. You may argue that.
So we don't believe that the Lagos state government is against the Igbo. It's not true. This is just people that are so low in life that are causing all this trouble. Ashwaju cannot send them to go and destroy Igbo property. Ashwaju is a detribalized man. Same thing with Governor SONWOLU. So what the people who are doing this are not the people that are in government. So what they are doing concerns them. We are only calling the government to push their leg down and get these people prosecuted and let this thing stop. We shouldn't continue because we did no wrong.
We are calling on all Igbo and the peace-loving Lagosians. So as we have been consistent, let us consist in peace and unity. And that is what we are here to preach.
That's why
We, NDIGBO, by this release, vow to be at the head of this vanguard of peace. And we therefore appeal to the Governor of Lagos State, His Excellency Babajide SONWOLU, to please ensure the safety of all, especially NDIGBO. This is the position we have taken in Lagos as NDIGBO.
The message we are giving you today is that the leadership of youth, OHANAEZE Youth Worldwide, which we represent, we came here with few of our executives, the General Secretary, the National Financial Secretary, the Lagos Youth Leader of OHANAEZE, is to tell you that the best thing to do is that we need peace, we need calmness. We are wading into the matter. And we want to assure you that we will make sure that proper investigation is done about this matter. And when that is done, we'll make sure that the report will not be swept under the carpet.
thank you very much.
And also, we also press the government to respond to your rights and also compensate you adequately. And our joy is that the present Lagos State Governor, which is His Excellency Babajide SONWOLU, is a listening governor. We believe that when we discuss with him concerning this matter, he will surely do something to make sure that Igbos who are trading here are not left just like that. We trust his judgment because he assured us he's a true friend of Igbo people. And we also are going to use this to see that again. But we want to assure you that they are not going to be left like that. Government of Lagos State and the Southeast governors, which also will represent, we're also going to report this matter to them. But what we're appealing to you is unity. Let's speak with one voice as Igbo people, so that we can get exactly what we need to get in any way we are. Don't allow anybody to do divide and rule among us, so that we'll be able to get our right anywhere. Lagos State is Nigeria, and we're allowed to do business any part of Nigeria, just like we also allow other people to do business in our own place. So we will not support anybody to do anything to actually push you out of Lagos State.
Yes.
If actually you be swayed by anybody, the youth wing will not allow that. But we want to assure you that we are going to get to the root matter of this and also get back to you. So let us maintain peace, let us maintain calmness, let us maintain unity and allow the government to investigate this matter. And I want to assure you that genuine result will come out of it and we are going to follow it up and make sure that you are favored at the end of it.
All right, I remain Egonga. You can always call me on 081 83 83 586 for the latest business.